Okay, so let's take a look at these 24 Python libraries that we should be aware of in 2023. All these ads are annoying. Alright, let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Looks like we have something called requests. Okay, not sure what that does. Let's just get all the names first. Something called pillow. Okay, so here we have image manipulation. So let's go ahead and key that value out there. So this one's probably going to have making HTTP requests simpler. It's always a good thing. Alright, so we got two. Scrapy. When I heard Scrapy, I think of Scooby-Doo. Ooh, for web scraping. Alright. What else do we have here? Asyncio. Asyncio, and that is for working with the asynchronous code. Alright, we'll just say asynchronous code here. Alright. Tkinter, or Tkinter, depends on how you pronounce that. And that's for GUI development. So, graphic user interface is what I'm assuming it's referring to. 6 is for compatibility library. Compatibility, so Python compatibility. Okay. These are all Python, so aiohttp is a Python library for asynchronous. So if you're building something that needs some asynchronous client-server connections, try aiohttp. Pygame, that's an easy one to pronounce. Pygame is, what do you know, for 2D game development. Okay. Kivy. Let's see what Kivy is all about. Kivy is all about application development. Okay. Straightforward. Bokeh. Ooh, it sounds like it might be camera related. We have Bokeh, and that is for visualization based apps. Alright, visualization based. Looks like a camera lens. Data visualization. I'm going to stick data in front of it here. And I want to get rid of this. There we go. Okay, what do we have? NumPy. There we go. That one's popular. And scientific and numerical computing. Straightforward. Okay. SciPy. I'm guessing that is for science, also for data visualization and manipulation. So we'll get rid of this and here. A bunch of other secondary things we might add later. That was SciPy, Sci-Kit learn. Okay, that's a good one. And I think I know what that one's for. Yeah, machine learning. And statistical modeling. But this author has set that as a secondary intent, so we'll leave it alone for now. Since there's 24 of these, Theano. Theano is also for machine and deep learning. Cool. TensorFlow. Yeah, I've heard of that one. That one's for deep learning, traditional machine learning, large numerical computation. So we'll just say, we'll keep it simple. We'll go deep and traditional machine learning. PyTorch, it's a good one. Heard of that one. For data science. I mean, these are pretty high level explanations, but alright. Wow, this is growing here. What else do we have? Keras, yeah. I've heard about that one too. Keras, and that one's good for, again, deep learning and machine learning. So we'll get rid of this duplicate here. There we go. And moving on to the next one, Pandas. Alright, Pandas. And that's for data science. Bring them in here to make it look pretty. Pandas, then Matplotlib. Matplotlib, it would be for data visualization. Again, we have a theme here. How do we visualize our data? Seaborn. What does Seaborn do? Again, data visualization. So there's a lot of people out there writing libraries for data visualization. BeautifulSoup. What is that one? BeautifulSoup. Again, data science. I'm going to have to go a little bit deeper. Everything can't be data science. PyCaret or PyCaret. Machine learning. Alright, a little bit different. So then you guys might wonder, what's the difference between machine learning and data science? And that would probably be subject to interpretation. There we go. Computer vision and image processing. Computer vision and image processing. Ooh, we have one more. LightGBM. And that is also for machine learning. So there you go. I think that's it. Yep, that's all 24 of the popular Python libraries. And let's give this guy a little title. There we go. Alright, 24 Python libraries.